Hi YouTube fam, it's your girl Arralista coming at you with her first YouTube video. Yay! So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go because the elephant in the room, my hair, it's in need of some tender loving care. It's so dry. If only you could feel it, guys. I wonder if you can hear that, how dry it is. We're gonna get right to it. I'm going to be co-washing my hair today with the As I Am coconut co-wash. An oldie but a goodie. It loves my hair. My hair loves it right back. When I use it, I like to use it in applicator bottle, so I'll put some in here, a little bit of water so that it can kind of shake around because it's a very thick product. Get that into my roots, really cleanse my scalp, and let that run through my hair strands, and you'll get it really clean. Like I said, my hair is in need of some desperate moisture, so I'm gonna be deep conditioning today. I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura oil. This is also like an oldie in YouTube world, but I've never actually used it before. So this will be my first time. It'll be like a first impressions. I like to, detangle in the shower when I'm washing it out. So if I get a nice slip from this for detangling, I'll detangle with that. Once my hair's all detangled and nice and fresh, I will go in with the pièce de résistance. For me, anyway, when it comes to wash and goes, which is this duo right here. Everyone knows it. It's the kinky curly knot today. And if you don't know it, you need to. So I'm going to start by putting some moisture, much needed moisture, back into my hair. No other way to go than good old H2O. So just so I can actually manipulate my hair a bit more, let's start bringing this hair back to life, people. I can feel the strands soaking in every drop. So now I can maneuver my hair a bit more and I can get into my scalp easier as well. I'm gonna go in with my As I Am in the nozzle. It makes it easier. And there's no real technique to this, guys. It's kind of like you feel your scalp, point and shoot. Right. I don't know what it is about this product, but it really loosens up my hair. Like you can already see that like my fro is coming to life. I think that sometimes it's not rocket science when it comes to choosing a product. Just choose something that your hair responds to. And this is like the natural state of my hair. So obviously it's quite happy with what I'm putting in it right now. It's just like, yes, give me some love. And I'm giving it the love. It's like a mutual exchange going on here. So okay, fine. That's probably enough product in my hair. But yeah, I don't know what kind of magic they put in this thing, but it gets my hair clean, guys. I really do not have a problem or suffer from buildup. But okay, I'm gonna wash this out. We'll come back, deep condition. I'll be right back, folks. So ordinarily, guys, I usually do my wash and goes in the bathroom. So I do it all in one step, bam, 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 one product after the other in the bathroom. But since this is my first YouTube video and I didn't want to discombobulate everyone with some sexy shower scenes, maybe in the next few videos I'll find a way to set that all up. I'll try and do everything as much as I can here on the table, and hopefully I still get good results. So let's put this little baby to the test, shall we? That when you're doing wash and goes, you tend to like run your hands through your hair quite a bit. And my sister gave me this great tip that wear gloves when you're doing your hair. So I find that it just reduces friction and it's just gentler on your strands than using your hands. You lose less hair that way. I'm gonna put a plastic cap on, hop under the hooded dryer for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see what this product needs. And I'll be back to let you know how it goes. So guys, I'm back. I've just come out from deep conditioning my hair, and guys, I don't know, maybe it's because it's a mask. I thought it was gonna like sink into my hair, but I don't know, my hair kind of has movement. It seems happy. I did go in and I read the instructions on the back of the jar, and it said to go apply heat. You should do for 30 minutes. So I was definitely under my hairdryer at the highest heat with my plastic cap on for about over 30 minutes because it wasn't getting absorbed. So I just thought, okay, let me give it a few more minutes, and it doesn't look like it's gonna get absorbed. So I came out, and this is the result. But I think my hair is fairly happy. Feels good. Doesn't feel like ultra soft, but we'll see when I wash it out. So now that I'm all deep conditioned, I'm going to try and detangle and see how I get on. I detangle using the Wet Pro brush. I love this brush. It's amazing. The wet brush, it just really loves my hair. My hair loves it back. See how easy that is to detangle in? And it does seem like I can detangle with this. I'm not getting too much friction, but this brush is great. It will literally detangle wherever you put anything with minimum slip. This brush will help you along. So this is all detangled. I'm gonna wash this out. So I'm back from washing my hair, and I have to say I take it all back. My hair feels great. Feels amazing. So the mask did its job. I'm very happy with how my hair feels. You have to be a bit methodical about how you apply the wash and go products. Now because I'm doing this out the shower, I have a full spray bottle with me to spray my hair as I go along. Section my hair into 4 parts. So I haven't used a towel. It hasn't touched my hair yet, because you really want your hair to be soaking wet and dripping. So from the point where I washed out the deep conditioner, I actually didn't towel dry my hair or anything. I'm applying the leave-in conditioner now. That's the Kinky Not Today leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna rake that through. So I just applied the gel there. I'm applying this now. Yeah, and it feels like every strand is coated. And I'm applying literally about that amount. To whip my hair down, shake it out, bring it back, and that's also key. That is going to really comb my curls. Really comb my curls, and I'll be back. I'll do that in the shower because I don't want to mess up my whole area here with. So yeah, this is after shaking my hair about. My curls are really defined now. I'm going to. I prefer to do half side partings instead of half or middle partings. I think they look cool on me. And I alternate what side I part. So if I part this side today, next week I'm gonna part that side, or when next I do my wash and go, I'll part the other side. I'm gonna go under the dryer. I usually stay under the dryer for about 30 minutes on medium heat and just let that slowly marinate and dry, and then I'll be back. I am back and my hair is dry now. So I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes, I want to say, and yeah, my coils are popping, guys. This kinky curly, honestly, it gets the job done. I'm so excited. about this, and it's going to probably hopefully last me at least 2 or 3 days. I want to say 3 days minimum. If I want a long wear, that's when I reach for this. And 3 or 4 days for me is plenty before I feel like, okay, I have to get back in there and douse my hair with water again to, you know, give it the moisture that it needs so that it can thrive. And that's what it looks like, guys. So in the morning, I might stretch it out a little bit just to give it a nicer shape. Good morning, fam. So I'm just getting ready for work and I need to unravel my hair. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you like it as well. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do. Please subscribe, please like, please hit that notification bell and share this video. Share with your friends, share with your loved one. I believe that there's so many women out there who have a similar hair type to mine and just want to know what their hair can do.